Hey, it's Greg, and the reason I'm making this quick video is because I'm going to be taking myself through a 100-day challenge. And the 100-day challenge is going to consist of me doing some form of exercise every single day for 100 days. I'm also going to be removing some type of vice or something that's holding me back. I'm going to choose one thing. And for me, it's going to be alcohol. Not that I have a drinking problem or anything like that. It's just I want to see how I feel and look after removing alcohol completely out of my life for 100 days. I'm having my daughter's being born in about less than 2 weeks, and I just want to be super focused, super clear, and see if it helps me stay more focused, stay more clear, stay healthier, all those good things. So I'm going to exercise every day, remove one vice for the whole 100 days, and then I'm going to add some form of value every day for 100 days. And it's going to be in the form of video. So my goal is to do a video every single day for 100 days. Um, and it's going to be geared towards everything from personal development, nutrition, a little bit about my company, my business, adding value, anything that I could do to just add value. So that's the goal. That's my 100-day challenge. But I'm not going to expect you to do a 100-day challenge. So what I'm going to do with you is do a 14-day challenge. It might even extend to 30 days, but we're going to start with just 14 days. And every day I'm going to send you a video, and from start to finish, we're going to plan out your 14-day challenge. We're going to prioritize. We're going to get organized. We're going to strategize. Everything from your health, your mindset, personal growth, getting organized if you're running a business, whatever it is, your kids, if you're, trying to get organized with them, whatever it is, I'm going to give you a 14-day jump start. So every day you're going to get a video from me with a very specific strategy and goal that's going to build upon each day. Okay. So that's what I got for you. It's not going to cost you anything except a little bit of your time. Each video is going to be maybe 5 minutes long. So you got to give me 5 minutes a day. And then I'm going to give you an assignment for the day. And hopefully you'll execute. And I'm going to be posting what I'm doing every day just so you can see what I'm doing. And I'm going to hold myself accountable, just like I'm going to hold you accountable if you want to participate. So if you want to participate, let me know. You're going to see this video. I'm going to be posting the videos on YouTube because I think YouTube is an easy platform for you to just jump on and see each new video for the day. I'm also going to be posting it on Facebook if you're on Facebook too, wherever you're watching this, YouTube and Facebook. So that means I want you to comment below that you're in, and I'm going to be, if you say you're in, I'm going to be holding you accountable. I'm going to be expecting you to watch the 5-minute video every day and implementing. Okay. So there you go. You ready? You excited? Oh, when does it start? Well, today is Tuesday, April 30th. We are going to begin on Monday. Monday, May 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Monday, May 6th. Okay. So Monday, May 6th, we begin. Might do like a pre-video over the weekend just to kind of get ready for Monday. Because I want you to be prepared. I'm going to be prepared. So let's do this. See you then.